All right. Good day, first of all. My name is Ibraheem Kabir. I'm going to present a seminar on pesticide in the sediment of Lacustrine environment in the lower this basin. So I'm from the Department of Ecology. So you can see my advisor is Prof. Inede Eskenazi and my co-advisor is Prof. Bania Fesa. So from the introduction, you can see anthropogenic activities generate this pollutant, the first site, especially the agricultural activities. The first site detected in this study area were the DDT, DDE, DDE, and this first site create public concern, which causes malfunction of the endocrine and reproductive system, and in the ecosystem, this pesticide brings so much effect, like the deviation of normal functioning of the ecosystem, loss of species diversity, destroying the habitat, causing negative consequences of the population and the community. So in this study, we are going to compare in the shallow and deep lakes. So the shallow and deep lakes can be differentiated in their depths, that is their morphological aspect. Shallow lakes is less than 3 meter depth, while the deep lakes is greater than 3 meter depth. So here you can see the process that are involved in the feed and transport of this pesticide. So this pesticide get into the uh, water through runoff land or through atmospheric condition or through the diffusion. So the objective of this study is to present research projects, is to evaluate the different level of pesticide in the sediment of Lacustrine in the lower Dusi River Basin, considering the temporal, that's the season, and the morphological aspect of the study site related to deeps, that is the shallow and the deep lakes. So the study area level of pesticides were assessed in the sediment of deep and shallow lakes from the study area. Then this survey were performed in 3 deep lakes and the 3 shallow lakes. So the catchment area of this lacustrine environment is characterized by multiple agricultural and human occupations. So here we can see the map of the study area. So the methodology: samples were collected during dry season and rainy season from 2018 to 2020. So the pesticides extraction was performed with suckless extractors with the capacity of 60 millimeter and volumetric flags. Then total pesticides were analyzed in the gas chromatography coupled with the mass spectrometry. So the statistical analysis of the variable was tested using the ANOVA. Then all statistical analysis were carried out with the software of version 3.61. Then here is the preliminary results. So in the environment, we can see the concentration of pesticide in deep and the shallow lakes, where there is no significant differences. So here is the concentration of the level of pesticides in 2 different seasons, the dry season and the wet season, which we did not find any significant differences. So here is the concentration level of the pesticides in the station, that is in the deep lakes and the shallow lakes. In the deep lakes, the uh, station 19 show higher level of concentration, while in the shallow lakes, the station 24 shows higher level of concentration. So in the conclusion, we found out different pesticides which were detected in the samples DDT, DDE, DDE. Then shallow lakes show higher level of concentration of the pesticide compared to deep lakes. Then higher concentration of pesticides during dry season could be attributed to the influence from the distillery and the runoff from the agricultural field. Then during wet season, this concentration decreases considerably due to the dilution from the higher lakes. So the study highlights the need for the nationwide monitoring program to verify the actual risks of this pesticide. So my acknowledgement goes to PMB, that is the Aquatic Biodiversity Monitoring Program, on the South Renova Biomass, the UFOP, the LECO, my sponsorship, that is the Para Debt Fund. So thank you for listening. Obrigado.